Good evening, my name is Obed and today I have started a new version of English which I will be maintaining. Previously I was only delivering my small clips in the language of convenience, which was Urdu, but now I want to do it in English so that everyone understands what I am talking. Today my topic is that why astronauts they float in the International Space Station. So basically gravity is basically, now the new definition of the scientists which I have given is gravity is basically dark energy. So if this is your Earth, consider, then all around there is a gravity, it's a dark energy. So according to the mass, it will create an effect of pulling itself towards the center. Whichever it will come, whatever object will come in the path of the Earth gravity, you can say, or dark energy. So astronauts, when they are launching, when the space station is launched, it will not go straight out in the space, but it will start with the rounds and circle and will gain the velocity, and it will just come and make a circle path, and whatever the dia at which they have determined that the space station is going to be, say, 10 kilometers or 100 kilometers or whatever, they will just stop engines and it will start. At that point they have to have a certain minimum velocity in order to maintain the circular path. Now there are two vectors, one is the horizontal vector velocity and one is the vertical vector, this vertical vector will pull the space station down towards its center, and horizontal will try to maintain the horizontal path. So there will be a resultant vector which will try to bring the space station down towards pull the Earth, but because of the velocity, because the Earth beneath is round, it will never fall. So basically in the International Space Station the situation is created that there is no gravity, but basically the situation is weightlessness. So that's why in order to maintain the weightlessness, and in order not this space station should fall towards the Earth center, they have to maintain the velocity of 28,800 kilometers per hour. So that's why the astronauts, they are basically falling towards the center of the Earth and the space station, but they are unable to fall. They will not come to the center because they have a resultant vector, and Earth beneath is round, so they will maintain the circular path. That is the scientific reason behind why in the International Space Station astronauts they float, because there is gravity. This answer is wrong, that people say that there is no gravity. There is gravity, which is a dark energy in the new scientific definition, but the situation is created inside like a roller coaster, like an elevator. When you are falling, it is basically the weightlessness. That's why astronauts they float. Now I'll deliver more on more subjects, different subjects. So this is basically the reason why astronauts they float in the International Space Station. Okay, I'll come back with other videos. Thank you and have a good day.